How to change profile picture in WebEx Cisco. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your profile picture in WebEx Cisco. Now, to change your profile picture in your WebEx account is very simple. The first thing to do is to log in into your WebEx account, just like I have done here. Okay, so once you're logged in, you'll be brought automatically to your calendars page. This is because it is only on this page that you can start a meeting, join a meeting, or schedule a meeting. But today we are not going to the calendars page. Instead, we are heading over to the profile, which is located by the left side of the screen. At the left side of the screen, you'll see some options. Okay, you'll see profile settings, calendar. Just click on profile. Yes, so once you do that, you'll be brought to your profiles page. Now on this page, the first option you will see is the basic info option. Okay, basic info option. So once you're on this option, you'll see profile, your profile picture, that is the icon by the left side, and then you see update picture. Just click on update picture, and then once that is done, a box will be displayed showing you to change profile picture, drag a photo here, or choose a picture. You can just click on choose a picture, and once that is done, you'll be directed to your devices pictures. So next thing to do is to select the folder where your pictures are selected, and then select the picture you want, then click on open, and then just like that your profile picture would be changed. Okay, this applies to you even if you've used a profile picture before, it would be changed automatically. Then next thing to do is to click on save, and that is it. Your profile picture has been changed. This video and tutorial is very simple, right? Yes, so go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.